Could I please have a couple more?
Oh yeah, you can take them up there. Morven, what are you doing there?
So I am sticking on these on the panda so I can stick it there.
Okay.
And this one is telling that one, and then this one, how are you?
Okay.
And
how hard is this kit to do? Is it hard?
not that hard.
Do you think anyone would be able to do it?
Yeah, I think the right of the people who can do it, it's like I think 4 to any age.
4 to any age you think would manage it?
And boys and girls.
Boys and girls, and men and ladies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and aren't they cute? Well done you, that's a lovely card. Thank you.
I have to make one of these.
Struan, Granny didn't have the video switched on the last time, so tell us how you made these, Struan.
So I nailed stickies to put the pandas on, and then I nailed stickies to put up the words.
And did you enjoy doing that?
Yes.
Was it hard?
No, it was too easy.
It was too easy. And how old are you, Struan?
5.
You're 5 and you were saying it was too easy.
Some of my friends can't even do this.
Can they not? All right, but you
No.
can.
Yes.
Because you're clever.
And Morven.
And Morven did too, yeah. Thank you, Struan. What's that on your robot?
Oh, a plaster.
A plaster. How did he hurt himself?
Him tripped over a rock.
He tripped over a rock. Oh, goodness me. Robots should watch what they're doing, shouldn't they?
So that one, like, wheel, and then it was a rock, and then he didn't notice, and then poof, it hurt his rock, and then it hurt himself, and then hurt himself on the leg. And then one.
Are you happy?
Yep.
You like making things?
Yep.
Okay, he's covered in plasters.
Good thing hurt yourself.
My goodness, right. Are you done now?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.